from today. 'Cause remember when we did and this is from today. Yesterday we did running water. See, look at all the studs, all dirty. Yeah. What are those? See, look at the fence now. So this is what it used to look like. Yeah. Mum will be turning on the hose now. Yeah, we're about to do the water blasted. Squeezed all the water used to be. Now, do you know how that it dried up? Do you know how I showed the what's inside and the good side? See, look. This one. We forgot to do this part.